Hey, Playmo pals! Today we're taking a look at the Playmobil Surf School.
Let's check it out before the tide comes in! Cowabunga, dude! Sorry, bro! Every surfer for herself!
Alright, and welcome back to another Playmo AF Playmobil unboxing and review. Today we're taking a look at 71907. This is the Surf School set. And as you see on the box here, we have two surfers. We got a male and a female, and they're both in their wetsuits, I guess. And there are two surfboards. He is standing on one here. We don't know what it looks like just yet. And we have one standing up here on this little stand. It almost looks like a wooden stand, but it's a pink one with a yellow stripe going around it, and the PM letters are there for Playmobil. I really like the colors they chose for these figures. The colors are really nice and vibrant, perfect for beach-themed Playmobil toys. And as you can see, this is part of the My Life set. There are only 16 pieces included in the set, which isn't very much, but as they say, less is always more. And we're about to see how much more. But let's look over here to the side. We do have a cropped version of our front image there, and then we have the perforated strip for easy access to our toys. The opposite side has a slightly altered version of the front image. We've got our clickies a little bit closer to each other. We got the bag moved in and the pink surfboard right behind the female surfer. Here's the top, here's the bottom. And the backside has all of our contents photographed individually. There's also a QR code here in the bottom right corner telling us a little bit about recycling. Here's both of our surfboards. I do like the white one with a little bit of green and blue mixed with it. Looks very sporty and beachy themed. But enough with the box details, guys. Let's go ahead, crack this thing open and see what's inside. There are a lot of cases when I open these boxes up and I don't expect to find the little insert, but this one does have it. There's another version of our front image on the package, and then it has all the parts and you know, very brief assembly instructions. We do get one sticker included with the set. It's the 30+ SPF for the suntan lotion bottle. We are also given a small rectangular piece of cloth representing a towel. Okay, so here's our little piece of wood. It is not wood after all, but it is made to resemble wood. But this is where the surfboards will be propped up to be kept up for display. Here's our first surfboard, the pink one that's presented on the box. You will receive two of these plastic clips with this set, and these are pretty important to the enjoyment of your toys. These go in the holes of the surfboard, and I've already attached the first one. And here's the first one. It is put on there so you can keep your surfer clickies standing on the surfboard without them falling. Of course, if they fall, the surfboard's going to fall with them. Here's the second surfboard, a little bit closer. I do really dig that green. I really like light green. That's one of my favorite colors. But here's the clip, and you just snap it in if you can. There we go. Alright, and we got a few accessories with this set, starting with this yellow-orange colored bag. It has a little pocket design that's obviously not usable, but it has plenty of room to keep some of the other accessories, which we're going to go over right now. Starting with this little green apple, which I cannot get to stand up to save my life, but here it is. And then we have the classic water bottle. Here's our spray bottle for the suntan lotion, and you can see the sticker has already been applied with that 30+ SPF label. Remember that towel we saw just a little while ago? Here it is again. Now this little red bumper thing is probably not the correct term for it, but that's what I'm going to call it because I don't know what its correct term is. But this is what helps teach the up-and-coming surfers how to balance by putting the surfboard on top of it, and then they have to learn how to I guess pivot with their feet and their knees, their legs, in order to navigate through the waves and the water. Well, out of the 5 items I can fit in the bag, the apple did not go in, and I didn't even try to put this in, but I'm sure if I took something out, it'll fit in just fine. And here's our first clicky. I'm going to assume this is the instructor of the surf school, and he's got a really cool neon yellow colored wetsuit, sleeveless mind you, and it says Aloha Surfer right there smack dab in the middle, and it's also got some green highlights there, and the green highlights do complement his green shades that he's wearing too. He's also wearing some black shoes, and the blue bracelet there on his left wrist was actually on there already. I did not add that on myself. Here's our lovely girl clicky. She's wearing a navy blue wetsuit with some yellow floral pattern with lighter pink sleeves. Here she is from the back. I really like the colors they went with this one, and I really like the floral pattern that they put on her wetsuit. And here they are side by side. These clickies and their surfboards make a fine addition to your beach-themed Playmobil toys. And there you have it, guys, with our unboxing and review of the Surf School set from Playmobil. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, give us a thumbs up, and remember to subscribe for more Playmobil content. Don't forget you can find us on Instagram. Check us out for more Playmobil adventures. Find us at playmo.af. We've got some exciting play sets to check out soon, guys, so stay tuned for that. Until then, everybody take care of each other, and we will see you again here very soon. Thanks a lot for watching, everybody. Have a good day. Bye-bye.